Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first episode of my podcast. And the title of this one is Mic Check. The Journey Continues. Actually, since this is the first episode, I would like to share my journey. I started earning my bachelor's degree in broadcast communication at PUP Manila in 2010. Yes, because it has been my childhood dream to work for the television and the radio industry. And after that, I work for GMA News and Public Affairs as a program researcher for the program Pinoy MD. However, the job there was really difficult and physically and emotionally demanding. That is the reason I took a certificate of teaching program. And by 2012, I officially became a licensed professional teacher. So I experienced to teach in the classroom setting, teaching high school students, and now I am happy to share that I'm currently a college instructor. And I've been hosting for more than 15 years now. I actually started hosting way back 2006, okay? And I'm also happy to share as well that fast forward 2024, I joined the Bagong Sibol Workshop 2024 of the Library Comedy Bar, and I learned a lot. I learned a lot there when it comes to comedy and improvisation. And currently, I'm doing a lot of things like aside from teaching and event hosting, I'm also doing real estate, financial advisor, a licensed financial advisor, and I'm also doing this podcasting because I am doing these things simultaneously or all this time because I know that I don't have to focus in just one, okay? Because I know that I can maximize my talent and potential. And I always believe in my ikigai, which is succeeding while empowering others to reach their dreams. So that is the short but very, very meaningful journey of mine when I was starting. And now, since I just started my first podcast, this is the first episode. I am very, very excited. I'm looking forward to taping and shooting more videos, sharing more stories, inspiring more people, and sharing sharing ideas and opinions of mine that can actually have an impact or positive impact to my viewers. So once again, if you are new in this channel, I hope that you're gonna click and subscribe, hit the subscribe button and follow me, and hope to see you more in the videos that I will make soon. Thank you so much.